Welcome to the data virtualization demo. This is the cloud data services with code-free view composition overview. So we have some banners that we pull together for our demos, put them on some cards, put them on the digital TVs in our offices. So I've included this here, but it has a QR code and describes the demo briefly. So on to our overview. Our demo is going to demonstrate several things, and I'll hit some of those key points in a moment. But I wanted to describe what the demo includes. We have our products, which is the Data Virtualization 6.1, our OpenShift 2. We're using two data sources. So we're connecting to two different data sources, MySQL and Salesforce. We have two different consumers that we're going to concentrate on, and that's a data virtualization dashboard and our Feed Henry mobile application. And we also have some management tools to help us get things set up. For instance, the web UI that's in developer preview that helps you compose the physical sources and views in data virtualization. Then we have the PHP MyAdmin to add data, and we have the Feed Henry Studio to build our mobile application. So just I wanted to touch on the data and data service real quick. This also helps us build our microservices if we want to go to microservice architecture or use it in any kind of architecture that we already have for SOA and so forth. So as I show here, this is the mashup service through the web UI. And you can see there's a preview of the data, but we've taken the data from MySQL and from Salesforce and combined them into a mashup service that we're going to use in the mobile app and on the dashboard. So the objective of this demo, we really want to show how easy it is for you to create and consume data services in the cloud. And we're going to be doing this, of course, with data virtualization and OpenShift. So this allows you to have code-free composition where everything's on the cloud. I can do everything I need to through the browser, and I don't have to install anything locally. And when I'm using the web UI to build the views, I don't have to write code. All of it's done for me, as you'll see in the demo. So the demo script, just to briefly describe, is the data virtualization application setup, the data source setup. We use the web UI to create our services. Then we create our consumers, and we can analyze and review that data. So key takeaways, I really wanted to bring the point home on what we're trying to do with this. So we want to reuse cloud data services by multiple consumers. We want business-specific views for specific consumers. So that when we write our views, we have the business consumers in mind. We want to show the ease of creation of these aggregated mashup views, so that we show how you can connect to multiple data sources and how easy it would be to change out those data sources with minor modifications to the views. And then our easy migration to microservices. Like I said, the microservices is something that is being talked a lot about now. But this building of data services in the cloud, even on-premise, can help you migrate to microservices. And also with our ability to expose the REST, the OData, and the JDBC, it's easy to use the data within your mobile applications through different methods such as the REST OData and JDBC. And of course, abstracting and loose coupling of data services so that, as you saw in the other diagram, I connect to multiple data sources. I compose through my web UI my data services, and then consumers can connect to it through different standards and methods. And so that's abstracting your data services out instead of writing them within um, your code to access that data. I provided some demo links, so when you go through the demo, you can duplicate this yourself and have everything out on the cloud. And then, of course, there's some additional references for you. And thanks for listening.